Oh, so apparently I thought I was done, but apparently I missed this side here. So we're going to take this. I didn't realize there was boards on this side too.
Right.
The 72. I like the idea. The only issue I have with 72 is this choke point right here. This is going to be a problem at rush hour right there. That is going to cause so much headache and delay right there. That pinch point, because of the underpass of the Fox Chase line. And then we have this monstrosity here. Why do we need this? Why do we need this? I don't see the point in that. Because Limekiln Pike is already narrow right here. Limekiln Pike is narrow right here. And then we got it coming down to replace the 51, which is already struggling with buses. And we're going to put another bus over there to replace it. And an Arctic. And they just redid Thoron and Limekiln Pike. They redid the intersection. So it's going to be trickier to turn there now. I don't understand why that's a thing. Somebody threw a suggestion at me and I kind of like it. Merge this back with the 6.
Because they had that reason, because battle service on the 51 and the 22.
I beg your pardon?
I don't get that. Speaking of 51, why is this a thing? Why does the 51 go into 66 and Broad?
I don't like that shit.
That makes no sense.
It's more service on the 51 than the 22. That don't be true.
The 26 is already going that way. And the 16 is already going that way.
They going to eliminate the 26 from up there now.
No, they're not. 26 is going that way. In the new proposal, it's going that way. It's going to replace the K up that way. So why do we need the 51 if it's already going that way? I don't see the point in that. Why not just go straight down Stanton Avenue? Like, make it make sense. I don't. 49. This is going to piss off a lot of people.
Yeah.
Losing this service is going to piss off a lot of people. I don't see why we got rid of this. Why are we going to the portal? A lot of people are going to be mad right there. Especially her. She lives on that part and uses it to go up here.
Yeah.
And now you want her to catch that, the 79. Which is going to take its long time getting down Snyder Avenue to go up here and to go up here. This stretch right here is going to kill the rest of the line, because the bridge here this whole stretch gets slammed in traffic.
To 79 now?
But it'll go to 40th and Market.
Okay. I like the 49 better.
This stretch here, I would rather the 29 go there.
Yeah.
The 29 going to 40th and Market would have made more sense.
What's the 79?
But this is going to affect the rest of this, because this gets slammed with traffic, so there's going to be delays along here because of that. And then why do we have this following the 7 and 48? Like, what? Over here, I don't mind this. This is fine. This is like, why? Why do we? No, why? Why do we? No, it was just unique. Why did we? Now it's following this.
Just so you know, the hearing is starting.
Okay.
Stay out here if you like to inspect the boards, but if you want to go be a part of the hearing, it is starting now.
52.
Swear.
This no. That is way too long. That is going to kill the efficiency on that line. I don't agree. I don't agree with this. I don't. It just, why? Why? No. If anything, send it to Overbrook train station. Why did they go that way? Why go that way? That is so far out the way. And why does that need to go that way if the 40's already going that way? You got two lines coming from this way, coming from Parkside Loop, or this area, going that way. So 52nd and Jefferson are gonna have two different lines going to Wissahickon. Why? Why not just go to Overbrook? I don't get it.
That's a good picture.
Somebody make it make sense. This one I don't mind, except why is it on Vine Street instead of Haverford? Should be on Haverford. Haverford has more stuff on it. There's nothing on Vine Street. And then they got to go back to Haverford on both ends. Somebody make it make sense.
Excuse me, what?
Everything else is fine. It's just that one little stretch. There's more stuff on Haverford, and it'd be straight line. He's talking smack in the background. He's eavesdropping on my comments. Now I gotta put you in the credits. But I don't know. But see, this is what happens. I just saw NRG bus
3398.
It just went east. So Marcus, yeah. Happens when you're known around SEPTA. Folks just randomly pop up when they hear how passionate you are about this stuff. They start chiming in, and they may not agree, but they feel what I'm saying. So here we go. We're gonna sign off again because now we're going into the hearing to see what they have to say, and I'm not going to record the whole thing because it's going to be a lengthy process, and I don't have enough space on my SD card. So with that said, Slick Flair here again with Amanda, saying please be safe in all your travels and endeavors, and until the next time, we bid you peace and love.